So normally we go down. Oh. We're back. I'm Tony.
I'm Monica.
And I'm Tony. And today we're gonna ride our local trails. We've got snow and the boys are home. Darren's fine. He's a little upset. Justin has a little pain on his hip from a fall that he took on a dirt jumper, so we left him at home. We snuck away and we're gonna ride the snow. Let's see how this goes. Huge. California has been getting hit with a huge storm. First time for a blizzard warning in I think over 30 years. And as you can tell, our local trails are filled with snow. So we could not pass up the opportunity to come ride and show you guys how fun it can be to ride in the snow.
So I'm scared to drop into this. Well, Mr. Man, he's gonna do it. I'll be walking it down. Oh my God!
Just took my first little down there. A little scary. It's so beautiful. Got the little creek. Got the little birdies drinking water. Got the wife struggling with the snow and the climb. But she's a boss lady, so no challenge is too big for her. This is some fresh snow. It's been coming down all morning, but it wasn't sticking by our house because it was too wet from the rain all night. But out here, it has stuck. There you go.
They can't believe it.
Yeah, let it roll. Nice. Your brakes will make you go sideways.
Oh.
Now this is Snake Pit.
Oh, wow.
You want to look at it?
Yeah.
I think we could take it slow. All right, let's give this a try.
Nice and slow.
Yeah. Careful! So normally we go down. Oh yeah! You know what? No pain! It's just all snow! I was about to say, we normally bomb this thing going so fast. And right now, we cannot bomb it. Yeah, Mom, you look good. Good job. You okay?
I wanted to make a snow angel. Instead, I made a fallen angel.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is where I want to fall.
This is kind of, it's not that bad a fall.
No, at all.
Yeah.
actually pretty cushiony.
Yeah, it is. Look at the brakes. This is great. And the phone on the mouse case, perfect. You good?
Oh my god, that was hilarious. Woo!
You okay?
Perfect.
Yeah? All right. Honestly, if you're gonna fall anywhere, this is where to fall. All right, well, let's see how much of this we can ride. This may become more of a hike-a-bike scenario. Oh boy.
You go, I go.
You can go, we can go together. That's the problem with feathering the brakes.
Yeah.
It's like, it's a crapshoot. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, keep that seat down. Yeah, good job, good line. Yeah, we're better off just staying on the powder instead of following each other's line. There's the jump, which is it's a little lake right now. Here we go. Would you like me to lead this one? Don't ride my line. Ooh. 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 Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Let's check on Mom. Here she comes. She's off trail. Yeah. You got it. All right.
Wow.
Good job. Okay, here are the notorious berms. Oh shit. Careful, love. Yeah. Look at this powder. It's
So cool.
incredible. My nose is runny, so sorry about the sniffles on the camera. Yeah. A little bit stiffer here. Mom is coming. And then I think this section, we're gonna have to hike a bike it.
Oh, I'm following your line because there's a rut in there. Woo!
Good job. Yeah. Yes. Hike a bike session. It's so slidey here. This is super narrow trail off camera. We don't want to risk it. We don't want to fall down there. Yeah. Mud butt. Yeah, you're getting mud butt. Rear fender would come in good right now. You're good. Yeah, nice. Oh, we see our car. Good job. You're good.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. Sound like soccer horns, right?
Ole, ole, ole.
Doozer. A doozer ole.
Yeah.
That's how good Mom feels.
Yep.
That's what riding does for you guys. You don't have a bike, go get one. You're missing out. I know a few of you out there that have thought about it and haven't done anything about it. You know who you are.
Yep.
You know who you are. Go get a bike. You won't regret it. All right, guys, that was our ride. It was super cool. We had a couple of falls. We had a little bit of everything.
Redness, missing glove.
We had a lot of stuff going on. But nonetheless, super fun. Most of the snow on this side of the mountain has already melted because Mr. Sun is out and bright. We hope you enjoyed our chill snow ride and our local trails, our sniffly noses throughout the ride, but it was a good one. We'll see you on the next one. Sick boy.